and some bad news when it comes to speeding related crashes in Michigan. The most recent data shows they're more frequent, but they're not as bad as they used to be. Attorney Brandon Hewitt is here from Michigan Auto Law to talk about the dangers of fast driving.
Yeah, so speed, first of all, is the number one contributing factor to auto accidents in Michigan and really all around the country, followed closely by distracted driving, but speed is still number one. And the faster you go, the bottom line is the more serious the crash is going to be. Some really interesting videos online that people can look at. The difference between a 30-mile-an-hour crash and an 80-mile-an-hour crash is incredible. And it's just so dangerous to be driving too fast out there.
There are several aspects about speeding that make it particularly dangerous, right?
Yeah, absolutely. So number one, as the speeding driver, it reduces your ability to react, right? So your ability to make course corrections or to make a decision quickly is just reduced. Number two, speeding increases the inability to brake and stop effectively. So it's kind of a factor of two. So if your speed doubles, the ability for you to brake actually reduces by a factor of 4. So it takes 4 times as long to drop if your speed is doubling. So that's super dangerous. Also, for other drivers on the road, trying to understand a speed of an oncoming vehicle is very difficult. And if you're speeding, it makes it even harder. If somebody thinks that you're in a 45-mile-an-hour zone, they assume you're traveling 45, you're actually traveling 60. That's hard for you to understand as that vehicle is approaching you. So it just increases that risk of danger even more.